Good afternoon, everyone. Class, I will introduce myself again. My name is Hydrostatic Pressure. Engineering and Masters in Structural Engineering from Government College of Engineering, Karai. I will be teaching design of water tank for the by using StaadPro for this ATT program. Start the session. Now it's clear. Am I audible? See the screen. I will give a little information, whatever we have studied until now. So, STAAD stands for Structural Analysis and Design Program Software. By using STAAD and giving the proper command and choosing the right design code, we can construct a model. Okay. So today we'll see how to design a water tank. Okay. So for that, go to new project, click on space, give a name to your file, water tank design, water tank, give a location to the file. Now we need to select units in meter and force length units in meter and force unit in kilonewton as per IS code. So select length unit meter and force unit kilonewton. Then go to next. Then click on add beam. Then click on finish and this window will open. Okay. Now keep your structure in front view. Go to geometry. Click on run structure wizard. Now select the model type from truss model to the frame model. Now select the grid frame. Now we want to create a grid for the water tank model. Click on grid frame. Now I'll assume the length of the water tank will be 12 meter, height will be 6 meter and width will be 8 meter. Number of bays, I'll put 1 only. Along the height length and width. I'll
Progress.
click on apply, and the model is done. Okay, now this model we want to convert in STAAD. Okay, for that click on close button, click yes, click on OK, and the model will be here. Now remove this. To remove this mesh, click on snap node beam. Okay, the water tank model तयार झालाय. Now we want to add the beam. Okay, we want to provide the beam for the water tank. Okay, so select this bottom beam and go to insert node. Now I will divide this entire beam in 3 sections. Click on OK. Okay, now same for the beams along the Z direction. Select the Z direction beams. Again, go to insert node. Click on add midpoint and click on OK. Okay. Now we want to join these nodes to create a beam. Okay. So keep the structure in front view. Select, go to node cursor, select the bottom nodes, check check all the nodes are selected in isometric view. Then go to geometry, then connect beams along x-axis, then connect beams along z-axis. Okay. ओके, समजतंय? आणि एकदा रिपीट करायचं हे एकदम स्टार्टिंग पासून.
यस मॅडम, एकदा रिपीट करा.
ओके. ओके, open STAAD, go to new project, click on space. Okay, give a file name, water tank, assign the location to this file. Okay, so your length unit should be in meter and force unit should be in kilonewton as per IS code. So click on meter, and in force unit click on select kilonewton. then click on next, then select add beam, then click on finish. Okay. How many of you install STAAD? How many of you install STAAD? कोणी install केलंय काल? Okay. Now go to geometry. Now go to geometry. Select the run structure wizard. Okay. What I have done? Go to geometry. Select run structure wizard. Okay. Now another window will open. In this window, you can see they are asking for the model type. Now select the model type. From truss model, we need to select frame model. Okay. Then click on grid frame. Click on grid frame. Now give the dimension for the water tank. Now length of the water tank, suppose it's 12. Height of the water tank, suppose it's 6 meter, and width will be 8 meter, and provide number of bay along length 1, number of bay along height 1, and number of bay along width is also 1. Now click on apply, and इथे आपला एक वॉटर टँकचं मॉडेल तयार झालेलं दिसेल. ओके. आता हे मॉडेल आपल्याला स्टॅड मध्ये घ्यायचं आहे. हे जे विंडो ओपन झालाय हा स्टॅड मधला विंडो नाही आहे. ओके. हे फाईल आपल्याला स्टॅड मध्ये घ्यायची आहे. सो फॉर दॅट क्लिक ऑन क्लोज बटन, क्लिक ऑन येस, क्लिक ऑन ओके, आणि हे इथे आपल्याला स्ट्रक्चर विझार्ड मधून आपण हे इथे वॉटर टँकचं मॉडेल घेतलं. ओके. आता ही मेश आहे ती रिमूव्ह करायची. स्नॅप नोड बीम ऑफ केला की ती मेश आहे ती रिमूव्ह होते. ओके. सो क्लोज स्नॅप नोड बीम. Okay. Now we need to provide beams for the water tank. Okay. Now select the bottom, go to beam cursor, select the bottom beam, divide this beam in 4 equal parts. So for that, go to insert node, select add n number of node and give n value 3. Click on OK. Now similarly select beams along Z axis. Again click on insert node, then select add midpoint, click on OK. Now join these nodes to create beam. Okay. Now for that, keep your structure in front view, select node cursor, select all the nodes, all the bottom nodes. Okay, now select all the bottom nodes. Join this node. How to join this node? Go to geometry and select the connect beams along x-axis. Click on OK. Now x-axis beam, we can see the beam. Now again go to geometry, then connect beams along z-axis. Click on OK. Okay. Now the water tank model is ready. The beams also we have created. Now we need to create columns to support this water tank. Okay. Now for that, assume the height of the column. Okay. Again, keep the structure in front view. Select the bottom nodes. Go to transitional repeat. Now the column is along y-axis. So select global y direction. Okay. Consider the height of column is 8. So it's in downward direction. That's why give the minus sign. Click on link the step and click on OK. Okay. Now can you see the water tank, beams and the column? Okay. Now this हा 8 मीटरचा कॉलम आहे. ह्या कॉलम साठी मध्ये पण एक सपोर्ट लागणार. ओके. सपोर्ट साठी बीम द्यायचे. ओके. सो आपल्याला इथे पण बीम्स प्रोव्हाइड करायचे. सो क्लिक ऑन बीम कर्सर, select the bottom column, select all the columns, select all the columns. Okay, select all the columns, then go to insert node. Now click on add midpoint and click on OK. Okay, now join this. Now join these nodes. So to join this node, just click the bottom part only and go to view and select bottom selected view only. Okay, and now go to the command add beam and just join this beam by using beam cursor. Okay, just connect these nodes to create a beam. Okay, connect all the midpoints of the column. Okay. 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 Now go to whole structure command to see the whole structure. Now you can see the whole structure. Okay. Okay. Now we need to add the plate for this water tank. Okay, for this portion, we need to add plate to the water tank. Okay, so go to add 4 noded plate command and select and connect this beam to create a plate. Okay, connect this 4 nodes to create a plate. Okay, connect this one also, and also the bottom part as well, and the bottom part as well. Connect this, provide the plates for this 5 parts. And now select the beam cursor and select the beams provided here. Either we can provide a plate or beam. But we need to provide a plate. So we need to delete the beam. So delete the beam. So this is now to see how structure looks like. Go to rendered view and see the structure. Okay, it's a beam, column आणि plate हे सगळं दिसत आहे. Okay, okay, okay. Now we are done with the modeling and framing. Now next step is support provide करायचा आणि loading द्यायचं, member property द्यायची. Okay, now provide the support to this structure. Again, go to the front view, select all the bottom nodes by using node cursor. So for that, go to node cursor and select the node cursor. Click on node cursor and select the bottom nodes. Okay, now go to support. Now go to command and support specification and fix support. Okay, and click on add. Now go to fix support. Now click on fix support. Again, select the nodes, bottom nodes. Now assign to the selected nodes. And yes, now you can see the supports for the water tank. Okay, समजलं इथपर्यंत? रिपीट करायचं. हा सपोर्ट बीम आणि कॉलम कसे प्रोव्हाइड केले हे रिपीट करायचं का?
नो मॅडम समजले.
समजलंय? ओके. Okay, now we need to provide property to the members. Okay, आता members ना property द्यायची. So go to command, then select the member property and select the prismatic Now choose the rectangular. Give the dimensions to your beams and column. Suppose column size is 0.35, 0.35 by 35. Suppose the column size is 0.35 by 35. Material is concrete and click on add button. Okay. Now give the dimensions for the beam. Suppose the beam size is 0.3 by 0.3. Give the dimensions. Now material is concrete and click on add. Okay. Now close this window. Now give the thickness to the plate. 0.15. Okay. 150 mm thickness. I have given 150 mm thickness to the plate. Now material is concrete and click on add button. Okay, and close this window. Okay, we have selected this material. Now assign this property to this model. Okay, 0.35 by 35 is a column size. So select the column. Go to select. Go to beam parallel to y-axis. That is nothing but the column. You can see the highlighted part here. Now click on assign to the selected beam and click on assign. Okay. Now the property is assigned. Okay. Now the column property is assigned. Now assign the beam property. Okay. Now for the beam, go to select beams parallel to x direction. Again, beams parallel to z direction. Then again go to assign to the selected beam and assign. You can see the selected part. Okay. Now we are done with the beams and columns. Now give the property to the plate. Okay. Just click on plate thickness and go to assign to view. Okay. Just click on plate thickness and go to assign to view and just assign. The property will be assigned. Okay. Okay. And close. You can see here in the rendered view, you can see we have assigned the property. Okay. We have assigned the property. Now go to load page or go to command, select the loading, select the primary load. Okay. Now tell me by using which method we design water tank. By using which method we design water tank. LCM, sorry, LSM or WSM. Tell me by using which method we design water tank. Limit stress method or working stress method. Okay, for usually we use limit stress method. Okay, but for the water tank design, we use working stress method. So why we use working stress method for the water tank? Okay, so the reason behind the design of water tank using the working stress method is variation of the load is not taken into account in working stress method. Okay, पाण्याचा जो पाणी कमी जास्त होतं वॉटर टँक मधलं. ओके, सो दॅट that will not taken into the account in working stress method. In working stress method, working stress method is used whenever the design is more conservative. Okay, commonly water tanks are highly vulnerable because the water level in the tank will uh, vary, and there is highly continuous variation in the water pressure inside the tank. Okay, working stress method fulfills the highest requirement factor and gives one of the traditional method to account such type of variation. Okay, and serviceability of working stress method is more as compared to limit stress state method. Okay, and hence the lifespan of the structure will automatically extend. Okay, understood? हे आपण का वर्किंग स्ट्रेस मेथड यूज करतोय? Okay, serviceability of a working stress method is more as compared to limit state method, and hence the lifespan of the structure will automatically increase. Okay, so loading. Okay, now define loading. Okay, again go to load case detail, click on add, then select the loading type. First is of course self wet, so click on, so select dead load, give the title dead load, and click on add. Then next is hydrostatic pressure. Yeah, water tank consists hydrostatic pressure, so click on fluid, loading type is fluid. Okay, so click on fluid, I'll give a title hydrostatic load hydro. Okay, click on add and just close this window. Okay, now assign the self weight to the structure. Click on dead load, click on add. Now select a self weight load, give the direction y direction because it's downward direction with the factor -1, and click on add. Okay, and close this window. Okay, आपलं सेशन एक तासात आता बंद होईल, पुन्हा रिकनेक्ट व्हा. ओके, एक मिनिट, एका मिनिट, 1 minute is remaining, just rejoin the session. Okay, now click on hydro, then for the hydrostatic pressure click on hydro, click on add, then go to plate load. Okay, now this is the new one. हे आपण पहिल्यांदा शिकतो हे plate load. Click on plate load. Okay, select the hydrostatic pressure